how to set up TTS for your chat messages on your TikTok Live Studio. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to set up your TTS chat messages for your TikTok Live Studio, here's what you can do. So first thing first, just open up any of your favorite browser and simply search in for tickfinity.com, or you can just search in for Tickfinity and just tap on this first link which appears over here. So once you're inside here, make sure you have successfully logged into your Tickfinity account, which will basically link with your TikTok account. And from over here, just scroll all the way down until you see the option that is TTS chat. So once you're inside here, now to simply customize it, you can just basically first thing first, just enable it. As you can see, I've already enabled it. So if this is disabled, you can just tap on this option to enable it, just like this. So once you enable it, you can also customize your language if you want a different language, and if you want to also customize your voice, you can choose it from different varieties of option over here. So once you do all of that, you can basically update or change your speed or pitch, or you can also increase or decrease your volume based on your choice. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.